I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace license plate light bulbs. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and two new 194 size bulbs. Make sure your Nissan Frontier is completely turned off and the lights are cool to the touch before you begin. You'll find the two license plate light housings typically above the license plate itself. This simple task can be done quickly. Now let's get to the bulbs. Take your small flathead screwdriver and carefully insert it into the small notch on one side of the light housing. Gently pry the housing away from the bumper. You'll feel a slight resistance as the clips release. The entire housing unit should then pop out, allowing you access to the bulb socket. Be careful not to scratch your paint. Once the housing is out, you'll see the bulb socket. Give it a quarter turn counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. Now, simply pull the old 194 bulb straight out of the socket. It might be a little snug, but it will come out. Take your new 194 bulb and push it firmly into the socket. Ensure it's seated correctly for a good connection. This is the easiest part. Before putting everything back, turn on your headlights to test the new bulbs. Make sure both are working properly. If they are, twist the bulb socket clockwise to lock it back into the housing. Then, simply push the entire light housing back into its opening in the bumper until it clicks securely into place. You're all done. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.